Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my DIY protein mask or deep conditioner as some people may call it. So stay tuned. So you will need bananas, mayonnaise, honey, eggs, and oil of choice, and moringa powder, and this is optional. On the screen I have inserted the benefits of the ingredients we'll be putting in our hair mask today. You can just pause to read and then continue with the video. There are no particular measurements to this, just go with your guts and keep in mind the length and fullness of your hair so that you don't make too much or too less. While you watch, let me just give you a brief history of my use of this mask. I've used protein hair masks right from the beginning of my natural hair journey, and I say masks because I have tried quite a few different mixtures, and I've come to know that this one works best for my hair in that it makes it soft and shiny while giving the hair strands some strength to withstand tough hair challenges. But don't worry, you'll get to see my hair towards the end of the video. The first mask I ever tried had a mixture of eggs and avocado pear with olive oil. That was good and I loved it at the time, but I found my hair to feel somewhat hard after I washed it off. I had left the mask on for 6 hours before washing. Then I went on to try another mixture I saw on YouTube. I don't remember the name of the person I learnt it from, but it had bananas in the place of avocado. It felt similar to the first mixture, but then I came across a YouTuber who added honey and another who added mayonnaise to the same mixtures I've used in the past, so I decided to add both of them in my mixture and I felt a great difference, which I love. I'm gonna quickly let you know that when you have this mask in your hair, it's best to let it sit on your hair for an hour or more, but not less, so that it has enough time to do its thing on your scalp and on your hair strands. I find this really helpful to use on my hair, and I can't really explain exactly how it feels in my hair, but trust me, it's great. I've been using this for 4 years now, and I mean, amazing. Now when you have all the ingredients in one place, just put them all in the blender and blend them all together. After you're done, you would need to sieve the mixture so that you don't have particles of the ingredients left in your hair after washing. You see what I mean after I'm done. For this process, you can use a clean socks, a cheesecloth, or a traditional sieve, whichever one you have handy, but I recommend a socks like mine. Now to the application. You can do this anyhow you want. Some people love to start from the back and others love to start from the front. I love to start working on my hair from the back, so just do what you want. Just look at how curly my hair looks. So beautiful. So after I'm done, I tie my hair in a plastic bag and I'm good to go for more than an hour. I left this in my hair for 3 hours before I washed it off. Look at this beautiful hair, guys. So soft. Look at the shine. Man, I'm so happy with the outcome. So thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like this video and subscribe for more. Your like makes YouTube share my videos to more people, in case you're wondering why you need to hit the like button. See you in my next video. Bye.